Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. I'm excited to take you on a journey of organizing a bachelor pad. I'm teaming up with my friends and the sponsors of this video, iDesign, so let's get started. So friends, let's start with the hub of the home, which is the kitchen for most of us. But for this bachelor, that's not the case. He is a young military member. This is his apartment. He's always working and hanging out. He does not use his kitchen. And so it's not about me forcing him into an organization solution to make this fabulous kitchen. It's about being realistic about what he needs and what he uses. So I quickly learned as I assessed the space that he really did not need to use all of these cabinets for what his use for his kitchen was. What he needed was a space that was his go-to space, a space where he can get those essentials that he does use. So he likes his snacks and he loves kind of just coming in and grabbing his lunch for the day. And so what I want to give him is tools that can grow with him throughout the years. Being a military spouse, I know how it is. Every three years you're moving into a different house that has different needs as far as organization. So that's what I love about iDesign products, is that they're versatile, such as this basket here. It is stackable, but you also can use it as an individual basket and it works perfectly. So in one home it may work if you stack it, in the other it may work as individual baskets. And so having that, it can grow with him throughout the years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one cabinet, and this is his sole source for all of the things that he needs in his kitchen, such as food items. I'm going to have a place for all of his lunch items. I'm going to have a place for all of his snacks. I'm going to have a place for all of his vitamins. And that way he can just open one cabinet and easily get to all of the essentials that he needs. So he is set as far as his food is concerned. So now I feel confident that he can use this system and that it really is going to function for him. So now that we had his food taken care of, it was about his dishware. You know, he said he likes his coffee in the morning. He sometimes has friends over. So 4 coffee mugs, 4 bowls, 4 plates, perfect. I wanted to keep it white because it's versatile and it can move with him over the years as he moves into different spaces. And it's really just what he needs. Now he also needed a place for his flatware and things like that, but he said if it's condensed, it works for him. So I love the expandable cutlery trays from iDesign. You all know I have these throughout my home, in my kitchen. They are great because they will follow him through his homes over the years because they are adjustable, along with they make your kitchen drawers look so customized. They are at my absolute favorite. And for him, it was about putting everything in one source. All of his forks, spoons, his can opener, his measuring cup, because he said, you know, really honestly, that's all he uses as a bachelor. He does not use anything else. So it's no need in giving him something that he does not need. Now, he did state he may buy some pans in case he wanted to make an egg or something. And so I wanted to incorporate the organization for him for when he made that purchase. So I put this pan organizer in the cabinet for him. I then moved over to his kitchen sink. I wanted to keep it simplified, but I wanted to feel very masculine, and I wanted him to be able to see when he needed to refill his dish detergent and easily get to his scrubber. And I wanted to protect those drains. And so one thing that I did incorporate was the iDesign drain strainer, because I love this in the fact that he won't even know it's there. The design is so beautiful that when you put it in your sink, it complements the sink. It doesn't distract from it. So that was key for me, and I love having this for him. I also implemented the simple things that he needed, such as paper towel holders and those everyday solutions that he needs in his kitchen. So in the kitchen now, he has just those simple things that he needs. It's not overdone. It has all of the everyday items that he grabs. So now let's move into the bathroom area. This is an area that is essential for this military member because he's often getting up at 4 a.m. in the morning to rush to work, and he really needed a bathroom that was efficient and one that gave him a great start to his day. So it needed to be aesthetically pleasing also. And so I want to start with the shower. I wanted to first put the essentials in there. I wanted to put a beautiful bath mat. I love this one here because the great thing about it is it doesn't distract from the bathtub, but it adds to it. I then wanted to give him a soap saver because that is one way to make a bathroom very messy, is having that soap running all over the place. And then I wanted to save him time. I wanted him to be able to shave in the shower. So by putting this mirror up in his shower, it would allow him to keep his razor in the shower along with have a mirror so that he can shave while he showers, saving him time. Now, he loved those grays, and you know I love gray myself, so it was fun working in this bathroom, along with he loved the chrome look. And so I incorporated these beautiful shower curtains, which really added a big bang to the space and really kind of brought his bathroom together. It really put the space together. So now that the shower area is all complete, I wanted to finish it off by putting something that would help him keep it clean, a little tool that attaches right to the bathtub so that he can easily see it, grab it, and keep the space maintained. And of course, for safety, having that mat right outside of the shower. Next, I moved to the toilet area, and in this area, this is where I wanted to give him those key things such as the plunger and the brush and a wastebasket so that it's all right there, easy to get to, easy to maintain. Now, the simplest way to organize his towels was to put them under the cabinet in the bathroom, and I want to make sure that it stayed organized, so I put the hand towels and the washcloths in a bin so that it gave it the structure it needed. If I would have just folded them and put them in there, they could topple over, make a mess over time, and so I wanted to give him a system that could really work for him. I also took the time to share with him how to fold towels the way that I love to fold towels, that hopefully it would stick with him because it really is a way to make under your cabinet or in your linen closet stay organized. Now, as far as those essentials that he grabbed, such as toothpaste and things like that, I used his drawers and organized them with these organizers that are perfect. Again, they're versatile in a way that he can take them with him as he moves throughout his career in the military. But as for his day-to-day use, it really makes it simple when he needs to get to his razors and his Q-tips and things like that. Around the sink, it was about keeping it simple but coordinating with the theme of the bathroom and using those chromes and grays. So this beautiful dispenser was very masculine, but it fit. And I do love that about iDesign is they have so many different styles with their product that it fits all of us. If you're like things that are more feminine, if you like things that are more streamlined, they really have a great product line. And then I wanted to also make sure that he had something for his little cups for his mouthwash, and of course protecting that toothbrush. And he, you know, it's important to be able to easily get to his toothbrush, but then to have it sanitary. And so this has a cover, which is perfect, and I love this. And so it sits on the sink, but it protects his toothbrush. And friends, that's it. This is the bathroom, very streamlined, but very efficient for this military member. So now let's move into his closet. In his bedroom, he had no furniture and it's just no storage at all. And so the closet was key to get organized. And so by using these bins, it was perfect because on the top shelf, he can now have a place for all of his underwear, all of his t-shirts, and he can categorize all of his things and easily get to them. And then below is for all of his dirty clothes. And because he is a military member and he is a mechanic that works on equipment that has oil and often his uniform is soiled, he can put all of his uniforms in one bin. He can put all his dirty casual clothes in another, and then his dry clean clothes in the other. So it's really sorted in a way that can function greatly for him, and he can easily see where the things go. Friends, I have enjoyed having you on this journey of organizing this bachelor pad. Definitely check out iDesign. They are amazing. Their Instagram is so inspirational. I'll link it below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.